Public health significance: transforming mental health with psychedelics. Now, let's talk about why this matters on a larger scale. Mental health disorders affect 1 in 3 people globally, and unfortunately, many of those individuals don't respond well to traditional treatments. That's where psychedelics and dissociative drugs come in. These substances, like ketamine and psilocybin, are showing rapid and remarkable results. For example, ketamine has been shown to reduce suicidal thoughts within hours. From a public health standpoint, this is huge. Policymakers have a real opportunity to drive change by reclassifying certain psychedelics and increasing access through updated regulations. For practitioners, these therapies open up new ways to treat patients with conditions that haven't responded to existing methods. And for the public, this movement can help reduce the stigma around psychedelics and encourage more open conversations about mental health. Of course, there's still a lot we don't know. Some of the biggest questions researchers are working on include: how exactly do psychedelics promote emotional healing and neuroplasticity in the brain? Are they safe long term? What are the risks with repeated use? And what about new methods of administration, like using psychedelics during sleep? Could that be a future breakthrough? Another major concern is equity. Cost and stigma and cultural differences still create barriers for marginalized communities. We need to make sure that these treatments become more available. They're accessible to everyone, not just a privileged few. So, where do we go from here? For policymakers, the next step is to push for more research funding and regulatory reform to reclassify these drugs so that they can be safely and legally used in treatment. For healthcare providers, it means adopting evidence-based psychedelic treatments in clinical settings and staying informed on new developments. And for the public, it's about continuing education, reducing stigma, spreading awareness, and advocating for equitable access. Together, we can reshape the future of mental health care and make psychedelic medicine a powerful, inclusive tool for healing.